This has been a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that could quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system. This test is originating from KZXY-FM Apple Valley. This is only a test. If this were a real event, you would stay tuned to this station for further information. This concludes this test of the Riverside, San Bernardino County's emergency alert system.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This concludes